Start.
So, Mr. X has come with bandages on head and bruises over abdomen. His ankle also seems to be injured. I think he is good enough to be stable, and let us get a CT brain done and have some X-ray ankle films also.
Okay. But we forgot to go through the checklist. It will take only 1 minute.
Okay, let's proceed.
Have the primary and secondary survey been completed?
Yes.
Do we anticipate any further airway intervention?
No, airway is secured.
Is it GCS 8 or below?
I think his GCS is 10, but we should monitor it closely.
Did you look for pneumothorax or pneumothorax?
His breath sounds are clear, but I think we should get his X-ray done.
Is the pulse oximeter on the patient and is functioning?
Yeah, his pulse oximeter is functioning and it is showing appropriate pulse oximeter.
Have we started appropriate fluids?
Yes, RL is going on.
Have we checked for pelvic fracture?
Yes, we checked for pelvic fracture and there are no pelvic fractures.
Have we assessed for internal bleeding?
There are some bruises over abdomen, but sonography is normal.
Have you assessed the neurovascular status of all limbs?
Yes,
Have you checked all over for open wounds?
there is a bandage over. I think when patient came emergency, there were bandages. So we have forgotten to check scalp injuries.
Okay.
Let us do it now. There is a CLW measuring 3 centimeters. It is sutured.
Does the patient need a urinary catheter?
No, I don't think so.
Nasogastric tube?
No,
Chest tube?
no,
Large bore IV?
yes.
Is the patient hypothermic?
No, his temperature is 36.7.
Does the patient need TT?
He has taken booster last year.
Pain medicine
Yeah,
or antibiotic?
we have given.
Okay. Have you discussed the plan with primary team?
Yes, I have discussed the plan with primary team. I think we should get X-ray ankle and CT brain done.
Okay. With receiving team?
Yes,
With his family?
yes.
With any additional specialist?
We will consult neurosurgeon after we get CT brain done.
Okay. Has the intake form been completed?
Yes.
Great. Let's get his film.